Today I'm here to talk to you about changing your life. A lot of people treat life like it's a machine that moves continuously and at its own pace. They feel like they're cogs in this machine. They watch passively as it goes round and round and round. They don't realize how much control they actually have over their own life. What we need to do is look at life like it's a movie, and you are the director. This is your movie. You choose the scenes. There can be as many plot twists as you want. On one extreme, it could be a really action-packed thriller, and on the other extreme, it can be as calm and peaceful as you'd like it to be. It's time to start thinking about making a big change in your life. The best thing that we can do is take personal accountability. Far too often, we blame circumstances or even other people for our current situation. This is just the way it is, or it's too late for me to change, or simply, I just can't. These are all statements used as excuses. You don't need to wait until next week to evaluate your priorities and decide that you want to do a 180. It's a great big world out there. This is your life, and you've only got one. You're responsible for how it goes, and no one else. You have one shot. You don't get a do-over. Make this one count. Make this one yours.